Hey there. If you're looking to unlock some serious income, you're in the right place. Today I'm diving into 7 Deepseek strategies that can help you boost your earnings. Let's get started. Number 1. With Deepseek's robust data extraction tools, you can offer data analysis services to businesses. Companies are always hungry for insights, and you can be the one to feed them. Number 2. Deepseek can help you discover trending topics and hot keywords. Use this data to create compelling blogs, videos, or social media content that drives traffic and revenue. Number 3. Offer market research services to startups and established businesses. Deepseek's powerful search capabilities allow you to uncover market trends, competitor strategies, and customer preferences. Number 4. Use Deepseek to find high-converting products and niche markets. Create targeted content around these products and earn commissions through affiliate programs. Number 5. Businesses thrive on new leads. With Deepseek, you can generate high-quality leads for various industries. Sell these leads to companies that need fresh customer pipelines. Number 6. Search engine optimization is crucial for online visibility. Utilize Deepseek to analyze competitors and optimize content for better search rankings. Offer SEO consultancy services to businesses looking to improve their online presence. Number 7. If you run an online store or help others with theirs, Deepseek can provide invaluable insights into product trends, pricing strategies, and customer preferences. Use this data to boost your e-commerce success. There you have it. 7 powerful ways to make money with Deepseek. Remember, the key is to leverage these strategies effectively and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on unlocking your entrepreneurial potential. Subscribe or like our video.